guys, it's me again, and I will be doing another swimwear try on haul. This time I got the swimwear from CUPSHE.com. They contacted me, asked me if I want to try their swimwear, so I was like, yep, I want to try your swimwear. We'll see if they fit me. I ordered everything in small because it is pretty hard to find extra small sa website na yun. Anyway, as usual, the link will be below. I will do my best to post pictures. But I got this package a few days ago. The shipping was quick actually. I think it took them less than 2 weeks. And if it's overseas, I usually expect like 2 to 3 weeks. But I got this in less than 2 weeks, so shipping is good. Oh yeah, the packaging, you guys. The packaging is lit. They are packaged very, very nicely. As you guys can see the brand CUPSHE Bikini Live Life on the Beach. I like the packaging, very summery. I like the colors. So I will start with this one here. This one looks like this. I can already tell it is big. The boob area is big, but it looks like that. What I like about this is the ruffle detail. The quality is good, you guys. Like, it's made really nicely, and they have like their own tags. So the tag looks like that, CUPSHE, small, and they have their tag, looks like that. I'm just 100% sure that this is not gonna fit me. Maybe the bottom part will, but the upper part, like my boobies are not that big, but we'll see. All right, so it looks like that, you guys. See, I told you, this is big. The back looks like that. It is really sexy. Surprisingly, the bottom fits really well. So it looks like that. Okay, next one will be... Okay. Oh, yes. It looks like this. I have a good feeling about this. All right, yes, it fits, you guys. I knew it. I love this color as well. I'm not sure if you can tell, but this is a really nice kind of like army green color, and it has a bow on the front like that. I have a very similar one in brown, and I love it so much. The back just looks like that. So very simple. You can't adjust the back, but then again, it's fine because it fits me perfectly already. The bottoms fits really good as well, you guys. It fits. It looks really dark on camera. It's not that dark. Okay, next up is this one here. Okay. I like this print. Yes. Ooh, the details, you guys. Look at the detailing. It has, what do you call that? Like crochet. And then it goes all the way. And then you have that same detail at the like waist area as well. It has some ruffles. I really like this print. And then the back looks like so. It is loose. The bottom part fits nice. It's just this area here doesn't really fit well because I don't have enough. I don't have enough. The back looks like that. I really like the ruffles. This could be altered, like make the sleeve skinnier. Oh, diba? Looks like that. But I do not know how to alter swimwear. Black and white. Okay. The bottoms looks really big. But I really like the tags, huh? Like, look at this one. I'm not sure if the other one that I showed you has the kind of like rope thingy going on. But yeah, that looks really nice. But the bottoms looks like that. 100%. That's not gonna fit me. But the top looks promising. No, it doesn't fit. I thought it's gonna fit, but it's way too loose. Like, I think you do it like that, right? That's the back. And then, so you just have to tie it at the front like that. But it's way too big. See? Not for me. The quality is really good, you guys. It's just the sizing is not for me because I am like extra small. But the quality is really good. If it fits you, then I would suggest you go ahead and like, you know, take a look and see. They have hundreds of bikinis to choose from. And if you're like a regular small, I'm pretty sure that it will fit you. I'm not the regular small. I'm abnormally small. Okay, next up is this. I love this color. It has some ruffle going on at the front, and that looks long. We'll see if that fits. We'll see. This color looks really good on tan skin. Like, look at that. The bottoms doesn't fit me perfectly. As I mentioned earlier, it's a bit long. So if you're extra small and you're taller than me, this will be perfect. I can wear this as a top though. This part here fits perfectly. So I will just wear maybe shorts or, you know, wide leg pants and it will look really good. The back just looks like that. Like that. I like this. The fabric is really nice. It has that stretch to it, kind of like ribbed as well. Yeah. This feels big. Oh, it's big. Oh, okay. Oh, the bottom doesn't look too bad. Like, I think that will fit me, hopefully. And looks like there's so much going on here. The bottom fits really well. I really like the fishnet going on, like a sneak peek, some skin, show some of your skin. The top is very loose, as you guys can see. Again, it has that fishnet detail, which feels really nice on the skin. It's not scratchy. The back, because it doesn't fit me, it's gonna look like really off. It has kind of like that belt effect. This is good, you guys. If you're small, a medium, I think this will look really good. It hides the belly as well, which I prefer. I like high-waisted bikini swimwear because it hides the belly. Oh, it's white. I don't really have a white swimwear. So this is going to be the first. I can tell it's big, but I like those like ribbed fabric. I don't know, I just really like the feel of them. I like the look. And then it has the lace detail as well, which looks really, really cute. This is not going to fit me at all. But the bottom is heavy, guys. It feels really nice quality because it is heavy. No way that's going to fit me. I will try the top though. Ooh, okay. No, that fits. I thought it's gonna be big, but it's actually not. You cannot adjust the back. You can wear this as a top. This actually looks good. I was expecting it's not gonna look good because it's white, plus looks like it was big, but no, it fits. It fits. The lace detail looks really pretty. I like this. Okay, next one. Oh, last one. This is the last one. Oh, this is one of my favorite colors. Oh, okay. Hello. Oh, this looks really nice. This looks so cute. Ang cute nito, grabe. Look at this. I don't think it will fit me. It looks a bit big. It has the scallop detail on there. And it's just really good quality. The quality is, I know I say it all the time, but the quality is really good, as in promise talaga. Okay, I'll try that on. I hope that fits mine. I don't think it will fit me because you cannot adjust it. No, it's loose. It's loose. It is loose. I really want this to fit. It's very, very loose. If you're tall and skinny, this will look perfect. Like, I'm not even kidding. Perfect on you. Okay, the back looks like that. This is way too big. Bummer. Sa lahat, ito yung pinakamaganda tingnan. Pinakamaganda tingnan. It just doesn't fit me, but it looks really nice. If you have the right body type, I highly suggest you give this a try, you guys. This looks really cute. Okay, so that's everything, you guys. Final thoughts about the quality. The quality is really good. The shipping was good as well. It did not take like super long to get here. The thing is the sizing, and I don't think that's their fault. It's my body's fault. I feel like if they fit me, they will all look great. Packaging looks really good. So overall, they're good. I just hope next time they will release like extra small items because that's where I belong. But if you guys want to check it out, the link of the website will be below, and then the link of the items that I showed you guys will be below as well. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like this video if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye. Mwah.